Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get order tickets in Heartopia. Since maybe I wasn't clear before in the previous videos, you can only get order tickets via the surprise gacha that you get from daily requests. You are not able to get it if you get the surprise gacha from fishing or insect catching. Sometimes you will get rewards like surprise gachas from fishing, insect catching, bird watching as well. So you are not able to get order tickets from those gachas. Also, I need to point out you'll need to be level 35 in order for you to get the eggs from the daily request. So it also works for weekly requests too, by the way, and you'll only get a 3% chance of getting it. I have right now one in my bag, and in my warehouse I have like around three, I think, or two, and then I have one here that I'm using currently. So yeah, just make sure the surprise gachas are from the weekly and daily request because you will not get it from events. I saw like a comment that says like, "Oh, I have 62 of these eggs, not one order ticket." Like I've gotten so many already, and I've seen a lot of people getting it too. So it's just you need to get it only from daily requests as well as weekly requests, and you'll need to be patient because you won't get it all the time. Again, 3% chance, and it says that looks like an egg. It's definitely not edible. Actually, it's a chest that may contain order tickets. You will get it from these um gacha eggs, but no, you will not get it from like the space one or the other gacha eggs they have. So only from weekly and daily requests. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!